Hi beauty queen, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Lee Talk. I am back today with another banger, you feel me, y'all? Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a dreadlocks today. I already started by washing my hair already shrink and stuff, but don't focus on the natural hair or focus on the style. I'm just gonna like comb it with this little peak, and then I already used the Hollywood hair growth to moisturize my hair with some spray leave-in conditioner spray, and I'm gonna be saturating the hair into the past that I want it to be. The hairstyle is really simple. I'm gonna be using the rubber band method to like separate my hair into little sections so it can be easy to braid and easy to tie, you feel me, y'all? The hairstyle is like really affordable too, so I'm gonna put all the hair material that I use in the description box. Make sure you check that out. Yeah, so do your own hair is difficult, but with a lot of patience you can get the style that you want. All right guys, keep on watching. Okay, let me do my little celebration dance because I'm almost done. I already separate all the hair into these little rubber band sessions. This is the last one, and after that I'm gonna do a buzz braid, like a really messy buzz braid, and I'm gonna be using the curriculum here to wrap it around with the twist. That's what is gonna give me the natural locks. You see what I'm doing, y'all? So I'm braiding the hair. I use the rubbing method, and then I braid the hair with a buzz braid, like a really messy buzz braid, because the hair is gonna be tight. So you don't want to like braid the buzz braid too tight, because then your natural hair is gonna fall out. This is supposed to be a protected hairstyle, so protect your hair, ladies. I am just doing the buzz braid right now. That is gonna take me a little bit of time to do the buzz braid, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna like literally twist, use the curriculum here to wrap the buzz braid with the curriculum. Just wash and learn, you feel me? Because that's how I learn. Guys, I am so disappointed, but I recorded videos and the video got deleted. The footage that I was supposed to show you of the rest of the hair got deleted. I am so sorry, but I went ahead and braid all of the other hair, and I just used the same method, wrap the hair around, buzz braid, use the coconut hair to wrap it around. Basically, that's what I did for the whole hair. It took me about 5 hours, and after 5 hours later, this is where I am right now. I'm just literally finishing the hair, but I did a video before this, and I don't know if the camera didn't record or the video got deleted. I don't know what happened, but I lost the footage, and I feel so bad because I didn't show you everything. But I hope this little one that I showed can like make you to like, you know, motivate you to do your own hair instead of wasting money on other people. But here you go, y'all. Struggle is real out here. But this is it, y'all. This is it. I'm gonna like, I'm already almost done with this hair. I just have a couple of buzz braid to wrap, and I'm going to use a candle to burn the end of the hair, you know, shift the hair, make sure that the hair is really smooth and nice. I'm gonna use some jewelry in the hair to make it pop. But yeah, thank you so much for staying tuned, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Just keep on watching and see how the end of the hair. I'm so tired, y'all. Like, you don't understand. 5 to 7 hours later, this is where I am now. So I'm gonna just leave you to watching it, and you're gonna see the final result later on.